Hi everyone, welcome to our channel, Rebecca Stew and the crew. I'm Rebecca and we have a quick video for y'all today to show you what's new and what's been restocked for this half of the week. And this is from everything you'll find at the Dollar Tree. We're located in DFW. I take pictures at several different stores, combine all the pictures into one video, and then organize it by section. So let's go shopping. We'll start with apparel and accessories first. Lots of Smurf socks. There was like 5 or 6 different pairs of the crew socks with the Smurfs on them. They had some with like Papa Smurf, there was Smurfette, Brainy Smurf, a whole bunch of different styles. Some of these we've seen before, and some of them are new. They have one that has like a really large Papa Smurf on the front of it. They also had some Monopoly socks, one with him sitting on like a pile of money, and the other one says goat, and those were by the Mario and Luigi socks as well. I found some Disney socks with Stitch and some DC Comics. They had Batman. I think that's the first time I've seen Batman socks, but then they also had Superman. They had 2 different styles of the Superman socks. They have some of the 2-pack socks, which are more of like the ankle socks. They had SpongeBob SquarePants with Patrick. So that was the 2-pack for the $1.25, and some spring socks. So these are all like pastel colors. They had Mickey Mouse, a couple different pair of springtime socks with Winnie the Pooh. They had him wearing his like bunny ears, some of them with Easter eggs, a few different pair of socks with Stitch, and he has all the different pastels and Easter eggs and a couple different Minnie Mouse socks with the pastel colors. They also had these men's socks. It fits shoe size 10 to 13, and they were the UFC socks. They're a crew sock. They had them in red and black, the navy blue and gray, and the black and gray. Over in the arts and crafts, a few new items. They had a bunch of fabric. This is a soft, really soft polyester fabric with the print on it. They had the outer space with like astronauts and a bunch of different pastels. You can get the light blue, the peach, or the yellow. And then they had the pastels with the blue background and the butterflies. Also, the pastels with the white background had the dinosaurs on it, and they had the stripes with all the different colors there. There's this floral ribbon with all of the unicorns on it. The puzzle saver, that's restocked, and so are the Crafter Square earring findings for crafting earrings. They had those in the gold and the silver refill packs. There's the Crafter Square foil flakes in the gold, silver, and copper. For the baby and toddler section, they had the 3-pack of the non-skid gripper socks. There's the double bubble. They had the dots. There was also the sugar babies, and all of those you'll get 3 pair in a pack for the $1.25. I also found these Crayola bathtub mini paint set. You get the finger paint, soap, and a little sponge stamper, and either a star or a heart. Then the Playtex brand baby lotion, shampoo, and powder. They had those in 12-ounce bottles. They are paraben free and dye free. The shampoo is the no tear shampoo. It's dermatologist tested and hypoallergenic. The baby powder is made out of cornstarch. Over in the health and beauty, we'll start with the cosmetics. Just a few new items there. This week, they had a restock of the finishing powder in the clear and the sunlight bronzer by that Le Mercerie brand. There's also the Beauty Intuition Creamy Cocoa Bold and Bright Lipstick and the wine color. Then there was the nails, lips, and more sweet shop box out in the aisle. They have these little ice cream cones. There's like strawberry vanilla. The purple one there is actually cookies and cream, and the peach colored one, that is whipped frosting, and the light pink is the strawberry. They also have the lip gloss. Those are in those little packages that look like a candy, and those come in a 2-pack. You can also get the 2-pack of the lip balm or the lip gloss, and those again are in those 4 cents. You've got the vanilla, the strawberry, the whipped cream, and the I believe it was the cookies and cream. They have the nail polish in the 2-pack. The one has glitter, the other one's just like a solid nail polish. That's the strawberry vanilla. This is the whipped cream. It looks like a boba tea. That one's strawberry. And then the purple is the cookies and cream. It has vitamin E and shea butter in it. For the hair care and hair accessories, really not a whole lot new there. They had these Larry's Choice fiber wax with beeswax hair balm. And then they had these little mini claw clips. You get pink, orange, yellow, purple, and green. Looks like a little smiley face. You get 10 altogether. You get 2 of each color. This rhinestone and pearl hair accessory. Then for the pharmacy and personal care section, they had more of the sweet shop items in a different section in the store. It was 3 different scents of the hand sanitizer that comes with the clip that you can clip onto a bag. You can also get the bath like sprinkles, and they had one that looks like a donut. It's called a reusable bath bomb. I'm not sure how it's reusable, but it says you can reuse it. They had some that looks like the rock candy suckers. You get 2 purple, 2 yellow, and 2 pinks. There's 6 in all in that packet. And then they had the 3 bath bombs that look like scoops of ice cream. And now for the fun finds. This week they had these novelty pens. You get 10 different colors of ink. They had the Eggo and Jello pen. Also, they had Pop Tarts that has 10 different colors of ink. The fidget spinner, it's called a squid spinner, which is like a sensory toy. The 4 pack of the ASMR sensory toys, and then the infinity cubes. Those have all been restocked. The home decor this week, they had a bunch of these springtime signs that say hello spring, welcome, and butterfly kisses. They had some hello spring banners. They are 7 feet long with the glitter. It comes with the rope already attached, so they're easy to hang. The felt tulip garland and the floral leaves banner. Those are 9 feet long. Some more of the floral banners for spring. They had some stretched canvas pictures, which were new. I love this floral one that they have out. Also, the kind of like a perfume bottle with some flowers. They had a couple for like being like out in the woods, or they almost look like a watercolor. They had one with a bear, which is really cute. Looked like the trees were done in like a watercolor. And then the fox, you can see like in his fur, you can see the woods and like the backdrop, which I thought was really neat how they did that 3D style effect where it kind of looks like you get lost in the background. The same with the bear. Or you can get the safari with the different animals, and they had some giraffe. They had a bunch more. Over in the home library, office supply, and teaching tree section, they had a whole bunch of these books that were called Netflix original series, which were different shows you could watch on Netflix, like The Power of the Dog, which was a film. Then they had these look and find books, which were the Mickey Mouse and Friends. These are similar to like a Where's Waldo book, if you remember those. They have all these different pictures of characters they want you to find on the pages. Then when you finish the book, you can go back onto these little checklists to go back and look for more items. You can keep using the book. Then there were these fun books. It's called Chloe, the Queen of High School. Looks like a cartoon or like a comic book, the way it's set up. Some Mermaid and Friends Paint with Water books. They also had the Animal Athletes and the Ultimate Paint with Water Funny Foods. Those are all fun. The Color and Erase Reusable Activity Set for Under the Sea has some reusable cards, and the markers are erasable. For the housewares, maintenance, and storage, they have more of those baskets. They keep adding to them each week in the 4 different colors they have out for spring, which is the gray, the blue, the green, and the light pink. Lots of different bins and baskets, all different sizes and styles. They even had the shoe boxes with the snap-on lids and the floral cutout baskets, which are always super popular. The kitchen and pantry section, they had the Sure Fresh reusable 3-pack of plastic bowls with the snap-on lids. They had the squares and the circles. They had those in all 4 of those spring colors, and some more of those floral bowls in the background there. You could get the 2-pack or the one that's a little bit larger. The color changing cups with the straws and lids, those have all been restocked. They had those out last summer. You get the purple, the blue, or the mint green. And then the dough scrapers, they had more of those at a few stores this week. Those come in 4 different colors. There's the aqua blue, the gray, the red, and black, and then the spoon rest. They have those in all 4 colors as well. And these are like a lid for a pot, the silicone style lid for a 7-inch pot. And I believe those come in 2 different sizes. For the party supplies, they have a bunch of new gift bags out. I love the ombre style bags with the gold glitter dots. They have those in yellow. They had blue, purple, and pink. And then the groovy style bags with the checkerboard pattern and the smiley faces. They had a ton of those. Some more smiley faces. And then the blue, the gold, and the white floral. They're starting to put out some bags for Mother's Day. They had their tissue paper, the special tissue paper out. There's the blue and pink, the floral and polka dot with the pastels, and then the green, like eucalyptus with the gray. Over in the pet care this week, not a whole lot new. There was the Bunkers Pure Pops. It's called Chicky Licks, and you get 3 in a pack. Those were for the cats and more of the Avenger toys. If you haven't seen them yet, I found those at a few more stores this week. I go to like 8 different stores. I rotate between all 8 through the week. So I do like 4 stores at the beginning of the week and 4 for the second video each week. And I found those at a few more stores. Over in the seasonal section, they have a bunch of these straws, which are so cute. They've got like a gnome, a bunny, a chick, and an Easter egg on the curly straw. Or you can get the bunny shaped straws. I think you get 6 in a pack. You get 2 purple, 2 blue, 2 green, and 2 pick. So it must be 8. Then there were the 12-pack of erasers or the 8-pack of erasers that look like carrots. Those are super cute. I don't remember seeing these carrots before. I do remember seeing these little bunnies. They've had these out the last few years, but now they also have these little chickens that are coming out of the eggs, and you get 8 of those. There are the jump ropes that look like carrots for the handles, or the little bunnies. They had those in purple and in blue. They had these 3-pack of cards. You get the carrots 24 card game, the Go Hunt game. Looks like it has Easter eggs. And then the Rummy game with the little chickens. It has 72 cards in all. These are some little rings with the silicone characters on the front. You get 6 in all for the packet. I love these little cups, these tumbler cups. It looks like a snow globe. They've got a bunny and a chick. Has the lid, the straw, and the cup. Then they had some new towels for the kitchen with the daffodils and Easter eggs. Also, this one here with the bunny in a basket says Happy Easter. And then the bunnies with the plaid at the bottom. This one also says Happy Easter. And here's a close-up of the bunnies. They had some party plates, these little bunny plates. Look how cute these are. They also had these ones here. These are the larger like dinner plate sizes with the bunnies and the Easter eggs, or the light pink with all the eggs at the bottom and the pastel. They had some matching napkins. And then that is the blue with the napkins. There with the Easter eggs, the yellow background with the large blue egg and the flowers. These are little treat cups. They're 8 fluid ounces. They say Happy Easter and have the bunny out in the yard. On the other side, there's the Easter eggs with the pink background and the plaid. Now, these are the smaller sizes. Then you can get the 2 count, which are the larger size baskets. Think of like a popcorn kind of style bucket. That's what those look like. And those come in the 2-pack. And again, you can get the pink with the Easter eggs or the plaid. They had some different tumbler cups that say Welcome to the Egg Hunt or Bunny Kisses Easter Wishes with the bunny and the egg on the front. There are these Crafter's Square printed felt bunny paws. You get 10 of those in that packet. The little easel paint set. I love that this is an Easter egg shape that says Happy Easter, or the one with the bunny painting his egg. I love these large Easter baskets that look like a wicker basket, but they're just solid plastic. They have those in pink, very soft pale blue, yellow, and sage green. And they're a really nice large basket. These are the bunnies. You get 2 pieces and snap them together. You could either get the solid or the clear. The clear ones are in pink and blue, and they have like a little bit of glitter throughout, or else you can get like the mint green, the pink, the yellow, or the purple. These are extra large tote bags. They look similar to a lot of the party plates that we just saw a few seconds ago, and I love these ones. They look like chocolate bunnies. And he looks like he's carrying like a basket of chocolate eggs. Also, they had these bunny blocks. You get 68 pieces. They're basically like Legos. They had a block chick. I thought those are really cute for Easter baskets. Then for the toys and games, they had these headbands with the flowers that are purple, blue, and pink. They also have the unicorn headband. And then a bunch of Barbie dolls. What's new about these Barbie dolls, at least I think it's new, is that the legs are now bendable. You can see how the legs have the jointed knees, so you can move them around. They had some new Barbie puzzles. There's 100 pieces in the picture that you're seeing on the front here. That's the picture you get that the puzzle makes. So just so you're aware, the picture's right there on the front. They had a couple different Hot Wheel puzzles also, and these were together next to the Barbie puzzles. All of them were 100 pieces. Then they had these cute little unicorns and Pegasus. So some of them have wings and some of them do not. So it just depends if you want the Pegasus or just a regular unicorn. They have them in a bunch of different colors and these cute little dinosaurs. There's a view of him from the side. We have these softy dough with the stamper at the top. There's Moana, Mickey and Minnie, Nightmare Before Christmas. You have Sally and Jack Skeleton. And then there is the Stitch characters. And those are the stamper that come on the lid. Now for the Dollar Tree Plus section, it's anything more than $1.25. For $5, they have these Bubble Fun wands. It makes a giant butterfly. It says you can press the button and hold it down to allow the bubbles to blow. They have those in pink and in blue. Some new baskets with different stripes and sizes. These are anywhere between $3 and $5 depending on the size of the basket that you choose. The larger ones are 5 and the smaller ones are 3. The small ones are like 6 by 9 inches. And then these are the larger $5 baskets here. Those ones have handles on the sides. Some large glass vases in the solid black or white. And then these teddy bears are $3 each with the red bow. They have light brown, dark brown, and almost like a cream color. Some socks. These are the XOXO socks. For $5, you get 10 pair. They're the quarter crew socks. They also have for $3 these 10 pair of socks in the black, white, and gray. And then the multicolor socks. These also are $3 for 10 pair. These large baskets for carrying like your cleaning supplies or shower caddies. They're almost like a clear style plastic. They had these organizers that rotate for $5. You can use them for like makeup or makeup brushes and things like that. They had the plastic 2-stack rack for $5. It'll fit under your sink. And it shows how to assemble. It's really easy to assemble. They look like this on the shelf. There's also these metal bird houses. They're 7 by 9 inches and they are $5 each. They're made out of like an aluminum. Really cute. There's like ladybugs and flowers and butterflies. They're absolutely adorable. And that's all for today's video. Thank y'all so very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And here are some other videos from our channel you might also enjoy. I hope you all have a lovely day and I'll see you back here next time.